Welcome to the world of programming, where innovation and creativity meet. In 2023, the top 5 programming languages you should learn are: Number 1, Python. Python, the versatile language loved by developers worldwide. From web development to data analysis and artificial intelligence, Python is your gateway to endless possibilities. Number 2, JavaScript. JavaScript, the language that powers the web. Enhance your websites with interactive features and bring user experiences to life using this versatile language. Number 3, Go. Go, the language for blasting fast systems built for concurrency and efficiency. Go is ideal for building scalable applications and microservices. Number 4, Rust. Rust, the language for fearless systems programming. With its focus on safety and performance, Rust empowers you to build robust and secure softwares. Number 5, Kotlin. Kotlin, the language for modern Android development. Embrace this expressive language and craft beautiful apps that run seamlessly across devices.